Hey up, is the audio okay? I've just had a few audio issues, so hopefully you can actually hear me. I'm not sounding like a chipmunk. Good. I found out what that bug is, where I sound like a chipmunk. It is apparently OBS Studio. It's a bit of it's a known thing apparently. Right, I've just been off, made myself a brew. I also took the opportunity to rewrite that security pal with the correct serial numbers. And we're all ready to go again, I think. Yeah, it might be something to do with my webcam in OBS or something, but it does seem to be OBS that does it, because sometimes I get the chipmunk sound in OBS, and then I can load up an audio recorder and just record fine. So it does seem to be only OBS that has the issue. But anyway. So I've written the new security pal with the right serial numbers, or the serial numbers the right way around. So we can turn this on again, and we can actually carry on where we left off. So. Yeah, sorry, Christian. With me switching and changing the between my serial port and my Mini Pro programmer, that USB port disappeared. So I had to reboot, and I was streaming from that. I streamed from this PC, so it meant that the stream had to go offline, unfortunately. So we just had a quick break. Right, so we need to load this, and we actually have the serial numbers the right way around this time. So we need to set the time again. Time until time is now. Is it really? 10 to 2. 13:47. 9, 11. Ash, the program just asks for the two serial numbers, one's before the other, so you just swap them around. It's easy. I should recompile it so they're actually the correct way around. I suspect I probably didn't notice that last time I did it because my other machine has just one serial number. It's just serial number 10,000. So I used it on both, so I would have never known it'd been swapped over. So right, that's the time set. So let's just reboot again. Yeah, somebody just mentioned Millennium Bug. The Paintbox does seem to be quite tolerant of the year being after 2000. They didn't suffer actually from the Millennium Bug, but there is some kind of bug after 2005. I'm not sure exactly what is causing it, but if you try and format or install a hard disk that doesn't have a Paintbox format disk, it just crashes. So there's obviously a bug in the system somewhere. So security list, no passwords defined. Let's try these passwords again and see what happens. Don't worry, Andrew, we've only just started. Right. So, moment of truth now. Add. Ooh, that's better. Right. So, I'm just going to cut and paste. These passwords in here. Oops, that's not right. My little character. Wait, it's Dexter. It's Dexter from Dexter's Lab. I think I'm the only person who seemed to watch that cartoon. Nope, that's the same one. No, it's not. It's not. Ugh. Oh, Andrew's character. Oh, I see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see what you mean. Do I have an annoying sister? No, and thankfully I don't have an annoying sister. Right. We have passwords. Right. So I'm going to restart this software again. We'll see what it does now. Yes, the machine does seem to be accepting passwords now. Obviously, I had these two. The machine serial number and the group serial mixed up. So. Oh, well, it didn't like some of those. Invalid serial number, options or password. Boo! What doesn't it like? Yeah, I do wonder whether the NVR might be having something to do with it. Hmm. Yes, this was a junior, but it doesn't seem to like those. Its old serial number and the old password. So we've changed this to a Paintbox, just a full-blown Paintbox. Not sure what to do now. I suppose I could try removing some of them. Maybe there's just one option in there that's causing a problem. yeah, let's just try. One on its own. Oh, I was. I have a sneaking suspicion when I last compiled my PAL generator, I think I might have hard-coded something in there. It might not be what this system wants. Yeah, I think there is something different in the security PAL because I capture this. This file here is an old log of the booting up of the old system, and we can see here the boot and it says description Paintbox, but there's no options shown, whereas this one does, so maybe that's what's screwing it up. Which means I have to write another security PAL again. Christian, yeah, it's a this particular one is a 68010. There's basically two versions of the Paintbox hardware. The sort of the early version, which uses 68010 on the CPU board, and then the later ones they switched over to a 68040. Okay, folks, just bear with me for a moment. Right, so we're going to attempt another security panel. We'll get this right in a minute. It's a bit frustrating. Right. How many times have we opened this up? Right, so I've just done another security panel, so I'm just going to erase it again and program it. Right, what does it do this time? Oh, I've lost my USB port again. I've got no serial port now, for some reason. I don't know what's happening with the USB. It seems to be when I plug bad cable or something, or it seems to be when I'm using the Mini Pro. When I've plugged it in and unplugged it. Right, I don't think we're getting anywhere, to be honest, with this. I think I'm going to call it quits here because I'm not really getting very far. And I do have things to do, unfortunately. I expected to only be here for a couple of hours, and it's now 2:10. So I think I'm going to have to sort of play with this off camera, see what I can sort out, and then maybe do another update video or a live stream. Right, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be back. I'll report what happens and see how far we can get. Okay, thanks everybody. Bye for now.